Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front brake discs and brake pads on a Mercedes Sprinter. First we start by removing the two bolts that hold the brake caliper to the brake caliper support. We also need to remove the spring on front that holds the brake pads in. Then we have to remove this bolt that holds the brake disc in. So we start with the two bolts that hold the brake caliper. We'll use a screwdriver to push the brake cylinder in so that it's easier to get the brake caliper out. Next, to remove the spring. And now we can take out the brake caliper. Next, to remove the bolt that holds the brake disc. Before trying to turn it, you should hammer it a little bit so that if it's stuck, it will get moving easier. Next, to remove the two bolts that hold the brake caliper support. After the brake caliper support is out, now we can take out the brake disc. Before putting on the new brake disc, we should clean the wheel hub with a wire brush and then put on the brake disc. Next, we put on the brake caliper support. Next, we'll push the brake cylinder on the brake caliper in with this brake caliper compression tool. When we pushed the brake cylinder all the way in, we can put on the new brake pads. And then we can assemble everything back in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. If it was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos and maybe give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.